What's up guys? It's the last day here in Costa Rica. I'm in the capital of San Jose. I don't actually have much time here today, so it's not going to be much of a vlog compared to the other days. I think we've only got like about 3 hours to walk around the city a bit and explore before we gotta head back to Houston. We're kind of in the center of the hotel that we've come to, so we're near all like the historic buildings and the market, so we're going to be checking out those places. But I'll probably just be filming more than vlogging, I'm not sure. And we're in an interesting hotel, I'm going to show you. Where's the key? So it doesn't have room numbers, all the rooms have names, as you can see here. And it looks pretty cool, it's kind of like old school and stuff. I'll show you it on the way out. Got the last breakfast of the trip, healthy breakfast, and the Costa Rican coffee. You ready to go home, Carol? No. Okay, so that was a nice breakfast. You probably saw the hotel is like basically an art museum as well, so that was really cool. And that hotel cost us about $60. It was a bit more expensive than what we've been paying, but it's hard to find hotels with parking here in the city center. And yeah, it was just a nice hotel as well, and we're right here in the middle of everything. What was it called? Okay, yeah, it's a French name. I'll pronounce Spanish stuff, but not French. So right now we're gonna check out some of the historic stuff here. So over here we have Plaza del Democracia, and then to our right we have the National Museum of Costa Rica. So here behind me you have the National Theatre of Costa Rica. It's one of the main attractions here. They still have shows and stuff here. And right now we're behind it, so we're going to check out the front. Behind me here you have the Metropolitan Church of San Jose. So that was built in 1871, and I think it's like Greek Orthodox architecture. We're gonna head to the Central Market. We're gonna see if we can pick up some souvenirs, maybe some Costa Rican coffee as well.
10 por mí la manzana.
Eres tan bonita, ay pero mentirosa, engañas a los hombres, siempre con mentiras mentirosas. Eres tan bonita, pero mentirosa, engañas a los hombres, siempre con mentiras mentirosas. Bonita, bonita, pero mentirosa.
Alright, we were back at the hotel, just got back from the Central Market. So yeah, I did get some souvenirs and the coffee. Here you can see, got the coffee. 2 packs. and then a cup to drink it in, obviously. Pretty cool. So like I said before, we only spent 2 hours in the city. We didn't have a long time to discover stuff. From what I understand, San Jose is only fun if you're really into like history or museums, but still a cool place to go if you've never felt the vibe of like a Central American or South American city, because here's pretty similar to the other ones that I've been to. And yeah, that's the end of the trip now. Been 4.5 amazing days here. Such a beautiful place, as you've seen. If you haven't seen my previous videos, please watch them, because they show the real beauty of Costa Rica, not the one today. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be coming back here, I think. There's still a lot more to discover. We only touched like the surface of it, so yeah, there's a lot more waterfalls, beaches and volcanoes to explore, that's for sure. And yeah, I'm just sad to be going back. We don't usually do quick holidays like this, just 4 days, so yeah, it seems to have gone pretty quick, but still a nice break anyway. And I honestly couldn't tell you what was the best thing that I went to. Like the past 4 days had, yeah, unique places. Too difficult to decide. And if you haven't seen the other videos, I will link the playlist at the end of this video or above here. And yeah, just check those out. And as always, drop a like on this video to help support my channel. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.